Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing well. In my today's this video, I will tell you about the Bluetooth problem in your device OnePlus Nord 2. But before starting my video, if you are new to the channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon. So now let's move to the topic. If in your device OnePlus Nord 2, the Bluetooth is not working or it is not connecting or it is not turning on, or like for example you are connecting any external device with the Bluetooth and it's not connecting, so you can solve all these Bluetooth related issues as I'm showing in this video. So follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn how to solve the Bluetooth problem in your device.